Today we're going to dig into another viewer's inbox and try to solve the issue of I'm getting a high open rate and very low response rates. Before we look into this email, I'll do a Blue's Clues style maneuver. What do you think the issue is? High open rate, low response rate. Well, if you watched any past videos, you know that open rate is 100% determined by the first line of the email and the subject line. That means that Misha, the guy whose emails we're about to go through, likely has a strong subject line and first line of the email, but the body of the email isn't converting. So let's see if we're right. Let's jump into it. Here's the email that Misha's sending out. So his subject line is, "Hey, Kevin, found you through Carrie." That's an intro. That's a really good subject line. Not surprised the open rates are through the roof with this script. So if we keep reading, "Hi, Kevin, turns out we both know Carrie, as I realized while researching your company on LinkedIn." And I would say that part is perfect. So let's jump into why they're not converting. Let's tackle the body of this email and see if we can make it better. You see, we help sales and marketing teams at other companies in health and benefits space, e.g. Mercer, Aetna, and others, to connect and engage with corporate CHROs, a notoriously elusive and busy bunch. Feedback here: one, there's a typo. So it's good he's listing other companies, Mercer, Aetna, and others. He is putting a lot in this guy's court when it comes to knowing the CHRO acronym. I might spell that out unless he's confident that he can tackle this niche and they know what CHRO means. In case you don't know, it's Chief Human Resources Officer. And he's emailing a Vice President of Sales. Maybe he knows this, maybe he doesn't. Next line is, "We do that by leveraging real-time actionable news, and I am almost certain this unique technique will make sense for your team as well." I think that line's probably fine. "If you have aggressive growth plans for 2018 and looking to expand top of the funnel opportunities, would you mind if I send you a few times for us to hop on quick call next week?" It's typos. I actually love this kind of email as somebody who's fixing emails for a living because it's so simple. Download Grammarly and review your emails for grammar mistakes before you send them out, especially when you're doing all of this research. This first line is perfect. The PS line, while I would capitalize the P and the S, it's there. The subject line is perfect. You went through all the time to find a mutual connection. Like, all this time is wasted when you don't double check for grammar mistakes. It's frustrating. I am also more than happy to answer your questions about how our clients derive markedly higher response rates from corporate CHROs. Thanks and have a great day. And then the PS lines here. Love this company's infographic telling the truth about misleading discounts from this other company. So the subject line's fine. I would leave this subject line as is. "Hey, Kevin, turns out we both know name." I would leave the first line as is because the open rate is so high. That's fine, this is working. Then I would jump in and change this around. "We help sales and marketing teams at other companies in the health and benefits space, e.g. Mercer, Aetna, and others, to connect and engage with corporate heads of HR." Or if he knows CHRO, keep CHRO. "Corporate heads of HR, a notoriously elusive and busy bunch. We do that by leveraging real-time actionable news, and I'm almost certain this unique technique will make sense for your team as well. Elusive and busy bunch. Using customized outreach emails like this one." Because Misha is customizing heavily. I'm assuming he's using corporate language, looking to expand top of the funnel opportunities. Happy to answer your questions about how our clients derive markedly higher response rates. I'm assuming he's doing that for a reason. I'm gonna humanize it a little bit because humans read emails, not robots. And it's a lot better if you put words in that people would actually say in a conversation. So let's rewrite this really quick. So this is the script I would run with. "Hi, Kevin, turns out we both know name, as I realized while researching company on LinkedIn. We help sales and marketing teams connect and engage with corporate heads of HR, a notoriously elusive and busy bunch, using customized outreach emails, like this one. If you want more meetings with qualified customers, I'd love to hop on a call to discuss further. Also happy to answer your questions about how our clients, Aetna, Mercer, get much higher response rates from corporate CHROs. Mind if I send over a few times? P.S. Love company's infographic telling the truth about misleading discounts from HC networks." Let's see if that gets a higher response rate. If you found value in this, be sure to share it with a friend or two. We're trying to hit 100,000 subs, and every share helps. Also, if you need marketing support for your digital agency, you want someone to help you write and send cold emails like this to generate more meetings, check out experiment27.com. Thanks.